Today, I'm diving into why outsourcing metal fabrication to India and Vietnam could be a total game changer for your business. First up, let's talk labor costs. In North America, those costs are skyrocketing, anywhere from $25 to $35 per hour. Compare that to $3 to $7 in India and Vietnam. That's a massive difference. These savings can translate into millions for high-volume production runs. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. But wait, there's more. Overhead expenses like facility maintenance, regulatory compliance, and capital expenditures can really add up. In-house production means constant investment in machinery, facility upgrades, and dealing with regulations. In contrast, offshore manufacturers in India and Vietnam take on these burdens, significantly reducing your expenses. Now, let's talk compliance costs. North American manufacturers face strict regulations, OSHA, environmental standards, union negotiations, you name it. By outsourcing to ISO 9001 certified manufacturers in India and Vietnam, you get regulatory compliance without the excessive costs. All right, so why India and Vietnam? These countries are rapidly modernizing with state-of-the-art facilities. We're talking about CNC machining, AI-driven quality control, and smart factories integrating IoT and robotics. Just look at Samsung's $1.8 billion investment in a Vietnamese OLED display factory. And don't worry about the workforce. Both India and Vietnam have extensive technical training programs, providing a skilled labor pool that's ready to meet your needs. Unlike North America, where there's a shortage of skilled machinists, these countries have an abundance. Logistical advantages? Check. Major ports, export processing zones, and a robust network of suppliers make India and Vietnam ideal for high-volume production. Now let's face it, onshoring isn't the silver bullet some make it out to be. Intel and Ford have faced high costs and inefficiencies trying to expand in North America, leading them to stick with offshore facilities. Recent failures in onshoring only highlight the benefits of outsourcing. But don't just take my word for it. Check out these real-world success stories. A US-based automotive supplier outsourced its metal brackets to India, slashing costs by 42% and reducing defect rates below 0.2%. A Canadian industrial equipment manufacturer moved its CNC-machined enclosures to Vietnam, saving 40% on labor costs and eliminating machine maintenance expenses. So, what's the bottom line? Outsourcing to India and Vietnam offers lower labor and overhead costs, access to cutting-edge manufacturing technologies, regulatory compliance without breaking the bank, greater scalability and flexibility for high-volume production. By leveraging specialized offshore manufacturers, you can boost profitability, improve operational efficiency, and stay competitive. Ready to make the leap? Discover how to realize 20% to 50% savings on parts you currently source domestically or manufacture in-house. Visit reduxengineering.com, complete our simple project assessment form, and see how we can cut your product costs in half with no upfront costs or consulting fees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights on optimizing your manufacturing strategy.